Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another prep video. I know that a lot of people have questions about prep and how to make sure that they are getting their enhancements to last. So I thought I would film a quick prep video again. It's not very in-depth because I just haven't had time to sit down and do a proper in-depth video, which is going to be coming. But I just wanted to get a quick one up so that you can see how I prep for most of my clients. So I'm just using a barrel bit. This is an E-file. I'm using it on about 9,000 RPM. And this is kind of the replacement of a cuticle pusher and any kind of like scraping tool that you might have. But it's amazing. I work from one side all the way to the other, and it just kind of pushes, it lifts, and it removes all of that dead kind of non-living tissue that's sitting on the nail plate that's going to really impact our retention. So I'm just going through, as you can see, it's incredibly gentle. Even if you were to accidentally touch the skin, your client would not really feel it. And I'm making sure that I'm using it parallel to the nail plate, just so I'm not going to be causing any kind of accidental damage or putting any pressure or imprints into that nail plate. Next, I'm going through and I'm nipping. Now, this is a big, I don't know how to say it, like just argument within the nail industry. Do you nip? Do you not nip? I think there is a middle ground. Some people nip too much. A lot of people nip far too much. But you'll see in this video by here that there's just some of that white, flaky, non-living tissue that's just hanging down onto the nail plate. And that is what I am nipping off. Anything that's going to affect my retention, anything that's sat on the nail plate that shouldn't be on the nail plate, that is what I am nipping away. Next, I'm just going in with this lovely, lovely tool. So this is basically a very, very small kind of version of a nail file. So it's like a little bit of a grit on there. And I literally just use this around the very kind of edges and up around the cuticle, and that's just going to make sure that everywhere's really scuffed and that our product can really adhere to the nail plate. We're not going to experience any kind of lifting when we apply that gel polish, because all of our corners, all of those hard to reach places with a regular nail file, we are able to get in there with this teeny tiny little tool, and it is just incredible. It's also very satisfying to watch. I love watching people use this tool. So these pads do come in different grits, and you can apply them yourselves. So those little pads, they are disposable, and you just use it. I just use it in little gentle circular motions, and it's just going to make sure that everywhere's etched and that we're getting really great adhesion. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and ask any questions down below, and I will make sure that I answer them for you in one of the upcoming videos. See you guys soon. Bye.